Let's talk about the private rules. Private means just for me. No one is allowed to touch my private parts. Not other kids, not teenagers, even teenagers in my family, not adults or adults in my family. The only times it would be okay for someone to look at or touch them would be if they were sore, and a doctor or nurse would be allowed to touch them, but they must ask for my consent, and an adult from my family must be there with me. The only other time it would be okay is if I've had an accident in my pants and I needed help to clean myself up, and again, they would need my consent. If someone did touch my private parts, it wouldn't be my fault. I'm not allowed to touch anybody else's private parts because those are their private parts. I'm not allowed to show anybody my private parts, and they are not allowed to show me theirs. No one is allowed to show me private pictures. No one is allowed to take private pictures of me. And I'm not allowed to take private pictures of myself. If anyone breaks these private rules, I'm going to tell a grown-up on my safety team.